Greetings. I am Akansha Wadekar and I have choose the research paper from image processing domain and the topic is pothole detection system. Research paper by the author Byung Ho Kang and Sui Choi. Title of the paper is Pothole Detection System using 2D LIDR and camera. Published by IEEE. These are the outline of the presentation, which includes introduction in which it contains the background information of the research paper topic, problem statement, which is the title of the research paper, objectives in which challenges were resolved, proposed methodology which contain the technique of the system implementation, then results in which results were drawn and by all the relevant figures and graphs the conclusions were made. Then references which contains all the reference paper that were referred for this research paper and were listed. Introduction. There are many cases of increased pothole due to the climatic change occurring as heavy rain in summer, snowfall. So, for this, there is a great influence on traffic safety and road damage. It causes problem like vehicle breakage and also many accidents occur. So, for this, an automatic pothole detection methods were proposed. Vibration based method which uses an accelerometer to detect the pothole but it creates a problem which in which the results were shown but they were wrong because of the distraction of hinges and joints of the road. So in this system and 3D reconstruction using laser scanning system is used to detect the pothole. LIDR, that is the light detecting and ranging, is used for three-dimensional mapping technology and applied it in the various fields like distance management and autonomously everywhere. OpenCV, that is the open source computer vision, is used for an video based pothole detection. Problem statement is and pothole detection system using 2D LIDR and camera. Objectives are to detect obstacles on the road, to accurately estimate the road surface, and precisions were made in which an exact value of area is calculated. Proposed system. These are the 7 stages of pothole detection algorithm, in which the first is image. The area of image is removed. Then, by the noise filtering, an unwanted noise is removed from that. And then comes the contrast of the image, in which the contrast of the image is improved and brightness is adjusted by brightness controller. And then the region in which it becomes simpler to separate background from pothole in that brightness controller. So then comes the binarization, in which binarization is performed to simplify pothole. Adaptive noise filtering is used to obtain pothole within the image correctly. Then comes the edge extraction, in which edge segmentation is done. Then object at extraction, in which the object is extracted into the binary image. And then comes again noise filtering. The filtering process is done and then finally the pothole is detected and the image is obtained at a proper range. This is the system implementation of the pothole detection model, where the pothole detection model contains an rectangular pothole. Left side and right side there are 2D LIDR connected, and in between there is an camera installed, and all this is installed above the road. A scanning frequency of LIDR is 5.5 Hz, and hence by this particular range and pothole is detected. This is the variation in the slope of the road. By using the pothole detection algorithm, they are detected, and by using Raspberry Pi MATLAB. So these are the results. Error rate of pothole detection, in which width and depth of the pothole shows the effectiveness of the proposed pothole detection algorithm. The error rate of the pothole detection maintains low enough even though the position of the pothole is moved away from place to place, or it can go from another place, but the accurate range is obtained from this. 3D pothole detection using 2D LDR. By changing the pothole detective system on 3D, we can obtain an pothole from which end it is present. By that particular range, we can find pothole detection. This is the edge extraction of pothole image that is done by the image processing, in which the left side is an gray image and the right side is canny edge extraction detection method of pothole. So this is the edge extraction of pothole. Then comes the conclusion. A pothole detection system using 2D LIDR and camera is proposed. By LIDR, wide area of road surface can be scanned, and we can accurately estimate the pothole detection. 3D pothole detection can also be performed using 2D LDR, and hence the system is proposed pothole detection system using 2D LIDR and camera. References. These are the reference papers which were reviewed, and conclusions were drawn from this research paper. Thank you.